Okay, so this is the Mikuni off the Yamaha 650. I'm gonna take it apart. I have an ultrasonic cleaner here around the corner warming up. And I would assume it's got some gummy fuel in it from years of sitting, but we will know soon enough. The Vivor comes with a little cage you can put the screws in and that so they can get cleaned as well without losing them or having them rattle on the bottom and wrecking the cleaner. If they're too large, I guess they just will get cleaned by hand. So this is the pulse for the fuel pump. It actually looks cleaner than I would have thought, but we'll set it aside and see what else we see in here. O-ring looks good. But over it has a diaphragm on this side. These screws look a little beat up, so maybe somebody's been in it before. Yep. See if I can get this out.